Welcome to this video on mastering the ChatGPT Canvas workspace. This guide is for senior professionals looking for simple tools for better writing, proving that ChatGPT is more than just a chat. Canvas provides a dedicated workspace for writing long documents inside ChatGPT. It allows you to easily edit and improve your work, keeping your main document separate from the chat interface. Standard chats can be hard to manage for large tasks, with constant scrolling causing confusion. Canvas solves the problem of long chats by keeping everything in one steady place, making it ideal for articles, reports, and presentations. The difference in workflow is significant. In a normal chat, answers appear and disappear, making it hard to spot small changes. With Canvas, content stays visible on the side, allowing you to edit specific parts at any time. This tool is best used when writing long reports or articles, creating training materials, drafting presentations, and managing complex social media plans. Inside Canvas, you can edit text directly, like a word processor. You can rewrite only selected sections, change the tone to professional, and fix errors without rewriting the whole document. Canvas offers simple tools for revision. You can highlight text to ask for changes, request shorter or longer versions, and keep the document open while interacting with the AI. You can see changes happen instantly. This executive editorial capability is about making your writing better. It automatically improves sentence structure, simplifies complex language, ensures logical flow, and makes your message easier to understand. You can also use Canvas for organizing your thoughts. Use it to plan before you write, create headings and bullet points, outline main ideas clearly, and structure your arguments effectively. Canvas offers efficiency for decision makers. You can review drafts quickly without starting over and refine content without manual rewriting. This allows you to approve final versions faster and focus on strategy. Writing is often difficult because managing many different platforms is hard. Long content gets messy in standard chats, it is easy to lose track of the main idea, and formatting usually takes too much time. Canvas simplifies digital communication. You can create content for many platforms in one place, adjust style and length for each audience, keep drafts organized, and avoid switching between different apps. With Canvas, you can easily turn one message into many formats. For example, adapt a main idea into a LinkedIn post, an Instagram caption, a short video script, and a YouTube description. Strategic planning is made easy. Plan a whole month of content in one document. View your weekly schedule clearly, make quick changes to the plan, and keep all your ideas in a single view. This tool helps you work smarter, not harder. You stop scrolling through long chat histories and make edits without generating new answers. You can reuse previous work instantly and reduce time spent on formatting. Staying on brand is crucial. Canvas helps you keep the same tone across all posts and ensures the key message stays clear. You can avoid accidental changes in style by reviewing all content in one view. Canvas is also an effective tool for mentoring. You can show teams how to edit live, demonstrate improvements in real time, make revisions during meetings, and teach better writing habits visually. Your business needs this because it saves valuable time on daily tasks and reduces confusion during reviews. It improves the quality of written work and streamlines the approval process. In summary, Canvas is stable, keeping documents visible and safe. It is flexible for reports and social media. It is efficient, allowing you to edit parts without rewriting all, and professional, making it best for managers and leaders. Canvas is a professional upgrade that turns a chatbot into a workspace. It helps you focus on high-quality content and simplify your workflow today. Thank you for watching this video.